I'm going to show you a little program, an online photo sharing program called Flickr. Today we're going to do two things. I'm going to walk through how to upload an image from iPhoto version 11. I'm sure going back a little versions is just as easy. And I'm going to show you how to upload an image from Adobe Bridge. So first things first, let's go right through iPhoto. Now, after you upload your images to iPhoto, you get things like events, photos, faces, places, blah, blah, blah. Right now, I just want to go into my places, or excuse me, my events. I want to find an image that I like under my album, and I'm going to upload it right there to Flickr. First of all, I double click on the image, and here it is. Now, I need a little edit, so I'm going to click on the edit button in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to actually rotate it so it's correct, and I think that should be good for now. Next, I'm going to click on the share button down here, and under the share button is a Flickr. See the little blue and pink dot, or magenta? That's what Flickr's icons are. So I've already set this up. Once you click on that, you're going to get a little box upper right-hand corner that's going to ask you to sign up. So just go through that process. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create either a new set. Now a set is what Flickr calls its albums, and it's just like a box of images that are all kind of maybe of the same place or the same person or whatnot. So I'm going to create a new set, and I'm going to just call this Ellie. And anyone can see it now. Let's just do only your friends. That's only your family, and hit publish. Now that's going to send up there by uploading the thumbnail, and then after that, it's going to upload the actual image, and then it will be on my Flickr page. So it's pending, as it takes just a second, and bam, done. You can click on the upper button here for the arrow, and it should load right up here. Now it's going to ask me to log in if I'm not logged in. So here I'm logging in, and here's the image of Ellie. And you can see that it's only viewable by my family, and I could even change that if I needed to. So that's how you do that. Now, the thing about Flickr is that once you're there, you need to sign up. Now, I'm going to actually show you how to sign up. You're going to click the sign up button up here. First, I'm going to have to sign out. So excuse me as I sign out. And I'm going to type in Flickr, FLICKR.com. And you can just Google it too, or Yahoo it, whatever you want to do. And you can do a sign up. Now, there's different ways to sign up. First, you can sign in with your Yahoo ID if you already have one, or you can sign in with your Facebook information or your Google information. If you don't have any of these things, which is quite surprising, you can actually create a brand new Yahoo account. So you have to create a Yahoo account. And here you can put in your name, your last name, pick your email address, make a password. Now remember, this is all free, so you never have to use it if you don't want to, after you play around with it. This shouldn't take more than like 5 minutes, depending how fast you type. So I'm already a user, so I'm not going to make another account. Too many things to memorize. So I'm just going to sign in. And let's see, I have a fake account. Ryan, I have to say outside. And I made this specifically for this tutorial and any other tutorials. And this will allow you to see what you see when you first get there. So, yes, remember, I guess. And then we're going to actually type in Flickr. It should take me right to my Flickr page, sign in. Since I've already signed in, I'm just going to hit sign in. And, oops. Let's see if that works. And, yep. And here is the first thing you're going to see. Personalize your profile. By all means, do that if you like. Find your friends on Flickr if you'd like to do that. But right now, all we're going to do is upload a photo. So again, the photo I uploaded earlier was from my real account. Now we're going to be in the fake account. So it asks you to choose a photo. Now, if you don't know how to navigate your file structure, I'm going to show you a brief way how to do that. So we're going to have to go to this in a minute because I have to show you where your pictures are being stored. So you click on the little smiley face down here. It's the Mac, of course. And you're going to click on pictures. Now, usually when you save your pictures, they go into this album into your iPhoto, which is great because it allows you to organize them. However, if you're like me and you're a pro photographer or you're an advanced photographer and you like to separate your files by folders, you can find them a lot faster, a lot easier. Now, one of the greatest programs I think out there is Bridge. And now we're going to show you how to upload an image from Bridge. So here's Bridge. What is Bridge? It's just all it is an image kind of organization software. Now, one of the things about Bridge is that it can view raw files and JPEGs and TIFFs, everything really. So let's say I have a bunch of raw files that I want to upload to Flickr. Now, this is pretty simple. Now, after you find your images, we'll just say we're going to pick that one, and that one. I need to actually turn these into to JPEGs. So I already went through the process, and here's the folder. I'm not going to show you that process today. And I'm going to find these images here. Alright? Now, I find that you need to stay much more organized with Flickr than anything else. So what I can do is I can take these images and I can send them to my desktop, or I can just memorize where they are, or I can create another folder. Best way to do it is just kind of keep yourself organized as best you can. So let's just go ahead and not even go any of those steps. We're just gonna click on, remember where they were, and we're gonna go under my pictures, and we're gonna go to where those images were. I think it said Vermont weekend, and then under my JPEG folder, I'm gonna look at my thumbnails, and here's one of them, and here's another one, and here's another one. So I'm gonna click 3 images, hit open, and they're big files, they're 9 megabit files. So they're gonna take a second to upload. So we'll be back when they're done. Okay, we're back, and you can see that the images have uploaded already. And they asked you, perhaps you want to add a description. Well, unfortunately, you have to hit that. Now, here's a big part of Flickr. Since you're on the web, you obviously want to share your images. So one of the things about sharing is adding tags. What is a tag? Tag is just really a keyword that people would search on the search engine to find you. So these are chess pieces, so I'm going to put chess, black and white, wooden, shallow depth of field, and that's about it. Now if I hit add, you see it puts them all down there, which is great because now I don't have to really worry too much about adding all my my tags individually. Now if you like to name them, by all means. Sometimes people don't want to do it. I like to personally, and you can even put descriptions. You want to go that far. Here's another one. Just make some fun names. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to you don't have a set yet, so you need to create a set. So we're going to call this black and white chess. A few images of the shallow depth of field for chess pieces. And oops, spelled that one wrong, and I before E. Sorry about that. Google has ruined my spelling. And now you're going to hit create set, and now that's created up there. Now you're going to hit save, and this is going to put them all into the chest. There it is. You have now uploaded your images to Flickr. Now how do we share those images? Well, click on the actual album. Now you can do one of two things. First of all, you can use the sharing buttons over here, which pretty much makes it impossible to screw that up. Or also you can even put it on your Facebook just by clicking the little Facebook icon, and it's going to link it to the Facebook if your Facebook's set up properly, which mine is not right now. Of course, you could tweet it, which is another great way if you want to sign up for that. And then the last thing that they give you is Tumblr, which is another great software program as well, which you can. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Again, try to visit us at rysite.llc.com on the web, or you can see us on the Facebook. Thanks again for watching, and have an insightful day.